Welcome back, guys, to another section of the machine assembly. Now we are going to draw or to produce the use support, which is part of the machine. This one, which is number 2. So here I'm going to start by sketching this part. So I'm going to open my ProE. I'm going to select to set the working directory. It's Klinsmann. Okay, and then I'm going to create a new file which I'm going to name use support. Okay, I'm done. So I'm going to sketch this use support from the front view. So I'm going to sketch it like this. Here we're going to enter the command line. I'm going to enter and then come out of the command line, and then I'm going to modify these dimensions. So I'm going to remove the generate. So from this distance, which is the height, this height is going to be 520 minus 140. Yeah, so it's going to be 520 minus 140, which is 380. Yeah, let me just cross check here. It's 520, 380. Yeah, I think I am correct. If we divide this by 2, we get 140. So it means from this distance to this distance, it's 140, and from this distance to this distance is 520. So we will need to produce from this part, starting from this point to this point, which is 520 minus 280. So I guess I am correct. So here we are done with, which is 380. Now we want another dimension here. It's going to be 360 divided by 2, and then this distance is going to be 380 divided by 2. Yeah, and this distance is going to be 360. Then I guess I'm done. I have to regenerate. Then done. So now I'm going to sketch the inner part. I'm going to sketch the inner part, and then come out from the command line. So this the height here is going to be 300, and this side is going to be 30, and also I need this side, which is 30, and then I am done. So now I have to remove these edges by inputting this radius in a curve, introducing a curve there, and also a curve here. Then okay, so this the curve of radius 50, and this one is of radius 20. I think I am done. Yeah, and then you have to select done. Then select the extrude option, whereby we are going to extrude this to a distance of 280, which is the width from here to here. It's 280. And then I'm going to extrude it from both sides, and then I think I am done. I can view my component, so I think I am done. So now I want to produce this part which is extruding here, which is a cylindrical part of diameter 75. So I'm going to sketch from this surface. I'm going to select this as my reference. So entering the circle command, then I will put my diameter of 75, and then I'm done. And then I have to extrude it to a height of 325. I guess I am done. Can you view? So as you can see here, I am done. Let me just go check here. Yeah, so now I need to produce that curve part. So I'm going to sketch this surface so that I can extrude this one. I'm going to select my reference lines, and then I'm going to select, enter the sketch mode, which is tangential to this, done. And then we have to extrude. I'm going to change these directions to this to a distance of 30. As you can see now, it's done. And then I can view my component and it's done. So I'm going to use the mirror option to mirror this circle to the other end. So I will select the right plane as my mirror line, and then select done. So now I need to produce another feature whereby I'm going to drill a hole of 50, a hole of diameter of 50. So I'm going to sketch this plane, and then to select my reference. This one is my reference, done. And then I'm going to enter the circle mode. Then I'm going to enter a diameter of 50. Let me just check my diameter. Yeah, it's a diameter of 50, and then done. And then you have to extrude it to the next surface so that we cannot waste much of our time drawing this wall, drilling this wall twice. So we have to do it once like this. So I have to view so that I can see if it's a drill. Yeah, so you can see there is a drill wall there. So with this feature, with this component, I am done. And then I'm going to save it. So thank you guys, see you in the next tutorial of our shock assembly.